Alright guys, welcome back. It's LSP. It's currently the 7th of October 2019. The time is almost 11 o'clock AM GMT time. So, quick update on EURJPY, the study that we're doing. We'll just jump over to the monthly chart quickly, give you an idea. So, you can see so far, and actually, let me just extend the lines a little bit so they're out of the way. This is the top end line, which very unlikely we're going to hit that. Let me just see. It's this one here, and again, it's very unlikely we're going to hit this one, but still, we'll pop it on there. Excuse me. So monthly wise, we know where we've come from. We've had this really nice drop, retracement or rally, another nice drop, rally, nice drop, rally, drop, and then we get this really nice pop up. It takes out all the stops on the way up. Okay, rebalances here, drop, 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 and then we're getting this kind of arcing over. This is a very interesting month right here, for the reasons that I've explained in previous videos. This shouldn't have been negated. If this was going higher, this entire month here should not have been traded through. That's enough to get a nice pop higher, and you can see prices just proceeded to go lower, lower, lower. So the 114.85 again, as always, is still in play. And in terms of last month, we had a really nice run higher, and again some nice rejection. And we've started this month. We had a little pop higher. And we should hopefully start to get some expansion lower. When you drop down to the weekly, you can see pretty much everything in line with what we're expecting. We started watching about here, had a really nice move up, rebalance, drop, drop, and then I was saying this line, the 117.35, and I'm just rounding off, but the 117.35 is the area where price should find some sensitivity, and if it's going to continue going higher, it will respect this level, and reverse at least to take out previous week's high. But so far you can see we've started quite it's only Monday, so we could get some some higher prices, but so far we've started ever so slight move higher, and then a little bit of a kind of, we're not going anywhere basically. So I'm going to be watching this now for the next couple of days, with a look to lower prices on the cards. All of this has been explained obviously, so we've come through this level now. Not convincingly enough for me personally. If it grinds a little bit lower, to around about here, and then maybe grinds higher a little bit, retest that level and get some movement lower, taking out whatever swing is formed here or wherever it will form, then that would be good. If not, just a continuation lower, expansion lower today, tomorrow, whatever. As long as it's moving lower, it's confirming the higher time frame bias. That's the key. That's what we're expecting. In terms of using this going forward, I already explained these two highs, and this very easy trade here. There was a very easy trade here, lower to this low. So these highs here, this low here, and you can see since we've started, it's not been that long, but it's been long enough, to see. Sometimes when you're patient and you wait for these things to unfold, you get nice opportunities. So in terms of the 4 hour, I would say this is going to be an interesting level down here, and one that we're going to note. Okay, and again, for now I'm going to leave everything on. Okay, and then we can clean up the chart as and when is necessary, but for now I'm leaving everything on the charts. I want to see price away from this line, and in terms of range that we have to play with from the line itself, around about 80 pips. So there's enough range for price to drive down to the 116.55, which would be an area where I would expect price to stall ever so slightly, but not change the overall bias of that bigger level at 114.85. So again, we're going to continue to monitor this on the hourly. You can see if I put the dividers on, this is the week's open. Would be nice if we get a pop up, and then a reversal, but we're going to watch it, keep an eye on what's going on, again with a look to that 116.55 level to be traded to. And that's about it for this update. There will be another update coming tomorrow. I'll have some free time, so I'll throw that up when necessary. If I see anything interesting throughout the time from now until then, obviously I'll post that as well. But not much else to go into. Everything's lining up nicely, and again, I would like to see a pop higher than rejection and reversal lower, with a look for the 116.55 to be traded to. How it happens, will give us an indication, or the start of the move anyway will give us an indication as to whether or not that's going to happen this week or not, because we could go sideways, we could grind higher, we don't know. So again, we'll leave it as it is, with a look to 116.55. That's the target for this week. If anything changes, obviously, then that's fine. But confirmation, I'm going to need confirmation of that fact before I'd even consider doing anything with this. So I will leave it at that. I hope the video finds everybody well, and expect another update tomorrow. Take care.